Hi students, welcome to HP Kapadia School. I am Nisha James and I am taking biology practical. Today we are going to do another 12th standard biology practical, that is to the study of homologous and analogous organs in plants and animals. So what is the meaning of homologous organ? Homo means similar, logo means structure. So the organs which have a similar structure, similar internal structure but performing different function, that is called homologous organ. Now what is the meaning of analogous organ? Ana means different, logos as I already told you that logos means structure. The organs which are structurally different, they have a different structure, that is the meaning of analogous organ. But they are performing a common function. So why they are performing a common function? Due to the same habitat. So in this practical, we will learn what are the various homologous organs in plants and in animals. What are the various analogous organs in plants and also in animals. Okay, so I am starting the practical. Practical number 19, study of homologous and analogous organs in plants and animals. Students, now we are starting the practical. This is very important practical. This practical can be asked for spotters. So, you will be in examination either the photograph. Okay, we don't have any specimens. Okay, the photograph can be kept. You have to identify whether it is a homologous organ or analogous organ and what is the specific feature, okay, that is making it homologous or analogous. So now I am going to show you one by one. One specimen of plant, one specimen of animal, in that way we will go. Okay. So now we are starting the practical. I am explaining one by one. So this is the first example of homologous organs in plants. Here in this picture, you can find two pictures. First one, that is the tendrils of passion flower, and the second one, that is the thorn of pomegranate. Both of them are structurally they are similar, okay, but they are performing different function. Okay, so why they are structurally similar? Because they are arising from a common structure, that is they are arising from axillary bud. So origin same hai, but the functions are different. So this is the first example for homologous organ in plants. So this is the second example for homologous organs in plants. So here also you can find two diagrams. First one is tendrils of vitis, and you can find what is tendril, this coiled part, that is called tendril. And the second one is the thorns of Carissa. Both of them are homologous because they are having a common origin. Both of them are developing from the terminal bud, but they are functionally similar. You know that tendril is usually using for climbing. Thorns are normally using for protection from herbivorous animal. So even though they are structurally similar, but they are performing different function. Okay, so homologous organs in plants we have completed. Now I am going to show you the homologous organs in animals. Now I am going to show you the homologous organ in animals. So this is the forelimb of human and the wing of a bat. If you compare both of this, structurally they are similar, okay, but they are performing the common different functions. For example, forelimb of a human being, okay, that is normally using for walking. But in the case of a bat or in the case of birds, the forelimbs are modified as wing, okay, and that is using for flying in the air. So one of the structure is using for terrestrial life and another structure, that is the wing, is using for aerial life. Okay, so this is an example for homologous organ in animals. Okay students, now I am going to show you the specimens of analogous organ. So this is the example of analogous organs in plants. So the first diagram is showing the analogous organ in pea plant. Okay, that is the tendril. Analogous organ, we are taking tendril. The tendrils of pea plant, and the second one is tendrils of vitis. In these two tendrils, commonly tendrils are using for climbing. They are twine-like structure. They are coiled spring-like structure, which coiling around a substratum and then which is helping in climbing. So here, why they are coming under analogous organ? In pea plant, the tendrils are developing from leaves, whereas in vitis, the tendrils are the modification of terminal bud. Okay, so that is the difference. Pea plant, tendrils are developing from leaf, and in vitis, okay, the tendrils are developing from the terminal bud. Okay, so this is the first example. So this is the second example of analogous organs in plants. The first one, A indicate the carrot. Okay, you know that carrot is mainly developing from root. It is a root modification, taproot modification for storage of food. And second one is ginger. So when you compare both of them are doing a common function, that is storage of food, but their structure is different. For example, their structure is different. For example, carrot, as I already told you that is a root modification, and ginger, that is a stem modification. In ginger, the food storing part of the stem, that is called rhizome. Okay, so this is the example for analogous organ in plants. Okay. Now this is the analogous organ in animals. Okay, so here also you can find two specimens. First one is the wing of a dragonfly, and the second one is the wing of a bird. Now why they are coming under analogous organ? Because their structure is different and they are performing a common function. If you look at the structure of a dragonfly, that is just an epidermal extension and it is covered by scales. Whereas in birds, the wings are mainly made up of bones and it is covered with the feathers. So they are structurally different, but in both the cases, the wing is used for flying in the air. So that's why this is coming under analogous organ. So I think all of you understood this. So in this practical, I have shown you the examples of homologous organs in plants and animals and analogous organs in plants and animals. Every time remember, homologous organs are those organs which are structurally similar and functionally different. Analogous organs are those organs which are structurally different but having a common function. So that is our practical. Thank you.